Hello, YouTube. I have my coworker here.
It's gonna blow up.
I'm not gonna blow up. I'm not blowing up anything. Stop saying that. See, you act goofy on camera. It's a goof. Anyway, we're back a day later. We're opening. Tell them, say we're opening the Evaporust Bucket.
We're opening the invasive bucket.
Okay, whatever she said. Whatever she said is what we're doing. Wait, let me get the sharp one out first. See? We'll put the water bottle. Drink. Oh no, it didn't get all of it. Look, see? Look at that. It's nice and clean except for that one spot right there. Look, this is the sharp one. Wait. Let me do. Let's see. First, we'll take them all out, then we'll show you. Yeah. Take them all out. Put them on there. Wait. Hold on. Let me take this out of there too. Smells like pee, huh? What's it smell like?
Pee.
Okay, now. See, look.
Potato.
Take that out of there. See? Put that over there. Put them on there. Look how clean they are. Swampy clean. Look at that. Nice and clean. Clean like jelly bean.
No, you take the rest out.
There's only one more. Okay, one more. So anyway, we're gonna throw this back in here. What ew? What are you ewing for? See? There you go, see?
Ew, doesn't it smell stinky?
It's supposed to smell stinky. It's Evaporust.
It's gonna blow up.
It's not gonna blow up. See, I scared her again. Alright, let's put this back on the floor. Let me move the camera angle down now. Watch.
Yeah.
Move over a little. Move over a little.
Chair?
Yeah, with the chair. Now, we'll wipe off each one of these, see?
I'm not wiping it.
Yesterday, they were all rusty. Today,
it's now clean.
They're all nice and clean. Look at that.
It's clean like a baby.
They got stains in them.
Yeah.
But they are super
and
clean.
Everything blows up except Mom.
Stop talking about blowing shit up, okay? I'm serious, guys. Stop talking about things blowing up. We're on YouTube here, okay?
Okay.
You gotta have some, I don't know, you gotta have something. All of our fans are gonna unhook themselves from our channel because you're telling them we're all gonna blow up. So anyway, in a previous video, we, what do you call it? I showed you all these rusty files.
I was wearing this yesterday.
You weren't wearing that yesterday, were you?
I was wearing something else yesterday.
But all these files look brand new. Yeah, except for this gooey one here. Look, it's all gooey. Yummy. It's got blood all over it. I don't know what. It must have been like some kind of, I don't know. Might have been the glue disease. Shut up. Disease. You're worse than your dad, kid.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, and your dad.
Yeah. Look, you got something else here.
What? Is a mouse there?
I said you got something else there.
Here's all the... So anyway...
Look, the wormhole.
The wormhole?
Yeah.
Is that where all the spaceships drive through, the wormhole? Oh, you don't know what those are, wormholes. Dingleberry, I swear. Whatever this kid does, I take no, what do you call it?
This is my wormhole.
Anyway,
Wormies.
I'll probably have to edit most of this out, because, you know, somebody keeps croaking and joking here, but, yeah. Ta-da! This was all rusty, except for one little spot right here. You can see it, where it's sticking out of the water. That's the one spot it didn't get. But look at it, it's nice. Nice and clean. Okay, we're going to end this now. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Say bye.
Bye.